Everyone, welcome back to another video from Handyman University. Here's a video I've been wanting to make for a long time. This is a video about our man lift that we have. It's a towable, and so I just kind of want to take you around, talk some features, talk pricing, kind of the jobs we use it on, kind of a bunch of stuff all about it. Super cool piece of equipment. It's been like honestly the best thing we've ever bought for the business. It's been like a game changer. It's crazy the things you can do with this thing, and it's really unbelievable the amount of jobs that we actually do use for it and find a use for it. Um, like I said, just best piece of equipment we've ever bought. So highly recommend it. Anyways, let me go grab the camera here. Let's get talking about some of the features here, take you up in it, and we'll get right to it. So here it is. Get a closer look here. Just kind of some of the features. It is electric, which is probably my favorite thing about it. It's got four batteries, four like car batteries in here. And to charge it, it's just a cord right in the back here. Plugs right into a standard outlet. So that's really nice. It takes about, I think like 16 hours to charge from dead or close to dead, maybe 24 hours. We usually just plug it in at the end of every day. So it never really gets that dead. But yeah, so that's all electric. It's a 35 footer, so it gets pretty decent. Mostly for what we use it for, it's pretty good. It's got ground controls here. We never took the rental tags off, but I'd like to get my own vinyls for that at some point. But it's got ground controls here, so that's super helpful. And basket controls, which I have set for now. It's self-leveling. All these legs move independently of each other. Um, so it really allows you on some unlevel ground to kind of get it all figured out, which is very helpful. And yeah, I guess that's kind of mostly all the features. It's nothing crazy, but it definitely is exactly what we needed. So as far as pricing, let's talk a little bit about that. So the pricing, I was renting this for $2,000 a month back in 2021. And I was just saying to myself, like, okay, I'm gonna need this probably about 3, 4 more months. So we're gonna be like 8, 10 grand in on the summer. I was like, how much could I buy this thing from? And my uncle works at this rental place. So I was like, okay. I asked him, he's like, yeah, they sell stuff all the time. So I called them and they were like, yeah, we'll sell it to you and we'll take the 2 months of rent you had off. So that was 4 grand they took off the price. So this is a 2019, bought it with 67 hours for $2,060 after the rental price was taken off. So then I had to put 10% down. So it was like roughly 2,100. And then my monthly payment is then $360, I believe it was. Not yeah, about 350. It was 350 for 353 for 5 years, at like 4% interest or something back then. And and then insurance is $40 a month for it. You have to have insurance to get the financing, and it's just good anyways. And so that puts the payment up to $393 a month, so about 400 a month, about 400 or $4,800 a year. So it's really pretty cheap, a lot cheaper than renting it. And this is, like I said, been the best piece of equipment we've ever used. You can see this barn behind us. We've been painting this whole barn, especially on these peaks. We had to rent a bigger lift to get up in there just to get over the roof line here, but around the back we could reach. It's just been a godsend. We use it painting houses all summer. I think this is house number 8 now, or building number 8, I guess you want to say, this summer. So we've done a lot. But anyways, that's pretty much all about that. Let's get kind of up in there and kind of show you some of its features here. So here you see we do a lot of painting. So here's kind of the thing. You got basket tilt. This will tilt your basket up and down, the basket I'm standing in here. And then you got this raises the boom up. This extends it like out, and then this also goes left to right. So let's take it up here for a spin. So as you can see, we're getting up here. And then this allows you to, you can go like 360, but you can't go 360 like this consistently, if that makes sense. So it's got like a block in here. So it'll rotate 360, hit the block, if that makes sense. So this is right now set up to go towards the building here because we've been using it. So that's kind of that. This goes up, like I said, And then it's got the extension, which this also booms out all the way. So this has got a 35-foot high reach, like I said, and then it's also got about a 20-foot horizontal reach as well. So you can do, I mean, a good span of this wall. It really is pretty cool. So that's maxed out there. We'll take you up here. You can see kind of the views. Kind of a rainy day on the Sunday, but not much to look at either. So we're maxed out here. As you can see, we're up here right on the roof line here. Um, Pretty cool. I love being up here. It's a little wiggly, not bad. But you get used to it as you go. So yeah, this has kind of been everything about the lift, and I hope some of you guys found it interesting, and thanks for watching.